How to record your PC or laptop screen with audio. First, open your web browser. Go to the OBS Studio website. Then select Windows. Left-click the OBS installer to begin the installation. Select Yes. Select Next. Select Next. Select Install. Close any applications that appear so you can continue the installation. Select Finish. Now I'll show you how to use OBS Studio to record your computer screen with audio. Click the plus icon. Select Display Capture. Select OK. Select your computer screen. Select OK. Your computer screen will now be added to OBS Studio. To record audio, adjust the settings here. This is the desktop audio. This is the microphone audio. Next, go to Settings. Go to the Output tab. Set the output mode to Advanced. Go to the Recording tab. Select Standard. Choose where to save your video. Select MKV as the recording format. For video encoder, select your graphics card with H.264. Set the encoder settings as shown on my screen. Go to the Audio tab. Select the microphone you're using or leave it as default. Go to the Video tab. Select the resolution. My maximum resolution is Full HD. If your monitor supports to K or 4K, you can select to K or 4K. Set the resolution below to match the one above. Set the FPS to 60. You can set hotkeys to start and stop screen recording. Then select Apply. Select OK. That's it. OBS Studio is now set up. Select Start Recording to begin recording your computer screen with audio. To stop recording, select Stop Recording. This will stop the recording. This is the video I just recorded from my computer screen. That's it. I've shown you how to record your PC or laptop screen with audio.